Hi everyone, here we've got LG K42 and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on the system. As you can see, on the third position we've got date and time, so let's enter. And here we've got actually two different options to choose from. First of all, we can set the date and time automatically, and now this option is turned on. If you'd like to turn it off and set date, time and time zone manually, just tap on the switcher right here, and the date, time and time zone options are active, so now we can freely tap on it, and from this calendar we can choose the date we want to use. Just tap on OK. As you can see, it immediately changes. The same situation with the time, and here by swiping we can choose the time we want to use. Just tap on OK, and as you can see, it is also immediately applied and visible on the status bar, and we can select the time zone, so simply tap on it. And here we've got the list of all available time zones, so just find the region you'd like to use and tap on it, for example this one. And as you can see, it immediately changes, but be aware that after selecting the time zone manually, the time will also change according to it. What's more, under it we've got the options attached to the clock format, so now we are using 24-hour format, but if you'd like to use 12-hour format, just tap on this switcher, and as you can see, it is also immediately applied. If you'd like to get back to all previous settings, just tap on this switcher to use 24-hour format, and tap on this one to set the date and time automatically based on the network. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your LG K42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.